Hello dear students, open your textbook page number 281. So today we are going to study about the next dynasty, that is the Gupta dynasty. So in last video we had learned about the Maurya dynasty and we had learned about the Emperor Ashoka. So today we are going to study about the Gupta dynasty. So before that we have to solve this question, fill in the blank, choose the correct answer. Dash was the advisor to Chandragupta Maurya. So answer is Kautilya was the advisor to Chandragupta Maurya. Second, Chandragupta Maurya defeated Dash general in the army of Alexander the Great. The answer is Celsius Nicator. Okay, answer is Celsius Nicator, a general in the army of Alexander the Great. Third is the tours that Ashoka undertook to instruct people about dharma were called dash. Answer is dharma yatras. Answer is dharma yatras. Fourth is Ashoka had messages inscribed on pillars in which language? Prakrit language. So let us see about the Gupta dynasty. So student, Chandragupta II. So, from this dynasty, the king name was Chandragupta II from 380 to 415 CE. So, Chandragupta II was the third ruler of the Gupta dynasty. So, Chandragupta II, he was the third ruler or third king of the Gupta dynasty or from Gupta family, which reached its peak during his reign. And during his kingdom, he was very powerful and the strongest emperor. He assumed the title Vikramaditya. So he accepted the title Vikramaditya. And Vikramaditya means equal to the sun god. And Vikramaditya means what? Equal to, as like a sun god in valor and strength. Valor means a bravery or a powerful, as like a as powerful and strength like a sun. His reign is remembered for its influential style of art, literature, culture, and science. So his kingdom kingdom is also remembered for his powerful style of art, literature, culture, and science. Means in that time or in his kingdom, the art and literature, culture, and science was only very powerful. It marked the golden age of the Guptas, and because of these dynasty is called the golden ages of the Guptas, because people are very in Gupta dynasty or at the time of the Chandragupta II, the people was very good in art, literature, culture, and science. Okay. So then next point is the conquest of the Chandragupta II. Pataliputra was the capital of Chandragupta II's huge empire. So Pataliputra means present day Patna. So Patna's old name was Pataliputra. So the Pataliputra was the capital of Chandragupta II's kingdom. तो जो चंद्रगुप्ता सेकेंड का जो किंगडम था और जो एम्पायर था उसकी पाटलिपुत्रा ये कैपिटल थी. Chandragupta II expanded his realm westwards to Gujarat and also brought Bengal under his control. तो चंद्रगुप्ता II है उनका जो एम्पायर था वो कहाँ तक था? वेस्ट वार्स टू गुजरात तक था. एंड उन्होंने और कौन सा एरिया लिया था? बंगाल स्टेट अल्सो उन्होंने अंडरटेक कर लिया था उनके किंगडम में. ही एस्टैब्लिश्ड अ सेकेंड कैपिटल एट उज्जैन. सो द फर्स्ट कैपिटल ऑफ हिज एम्पायर वाज पाटलिपुत्रा एंड सेकेंड कैपिटल वाज उज्जैन. He also strengthened his position in the empire by following a policy of matrimonial alliances. Okay, so he also strengthened his position in the empire by following a policy of matrimonial alliances. So next point is the other achievements of Chandragupta II. So first was Chandragupta II court was graced by the Navratnas or 9 jewels, who were great scholars and writers. Okay, so student, this is means what? In Chandragupta's second's court there was a 9 jewels or a Navratnas, and that all 9 jewels, from those some people, from those some are great scholars and some are writers. मीन्स जो आपने देखा होगा शिवाजी महाराज का जैसे कोर्ट होता है, ओके, एज लाइक इन स्कूल ऑल्सो वी हैव प्रिंसिपल, देन वाइस प्रिंसिपल, देन टीचर्स, like this way this king also they having also their court, and in their court they are having 9 jewels or navratnas, and from these 9 jewels some are great scholars and some are writers. Universities such as Nalanda, Takshila and Ujjain were famous during his reign. Okay, nowadays also we have a Pune University, Mumbai University, and that time also the people are also doing their studies in the university, like Nalanda University, Takshila and the Ujjain University, and these all university were famous during the time of Chandragupta II. Okay, Nalanda University, Takshila University and the Ujjain University. Then